Hey guys, what up? Laser back for our next time video. Today we are playing Fortnite Battle Royale. I know I didn't start this with a clip, but whatever, I just wanted to change it up. Today we are gonna be looking at the new double barrel shotgun. And I know that this is removed, but we'll try it. Like, why not? We'll bring it back for the memes. The memes, boys. That's what this video is about. The memes. I know I don't meme that much, but today we are meming today. Today, we are memeing today. Just keep remembering that. Remember that saying here. I already forgot it. Holy, what type of meme am I? But anyways, it doesn't matter. We are just gonna be using the double barrel shotgun. And hopefully trying to get a victory royale. I don't know what happens, but this works too, I guess. But I don't know, it's just a video. This is frustrating. Frick. No. Now in this video, guys, we are just gonna be playing and playing and playing and wow. 1 minute and like 35 seconds, and we just ran into that. I can't. I just can't believe that. I'm going to take that slurp. Wow. Okay. Okay, that doesn't really matter anymore. Oh my god, I'm gonna be a total mess up because, like, I just can't leave the heavy. It's so good. It's such a good gun. Like, I just can't leave it. I just can't. Drum gun's pretty good. Oh no. We're gonna have to do it. We're doing it. We're doing it. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Well, we always get the heavy, so it doesn't matter. It's a tempting thing, but whatever. It's all good. It's all good in science. Nope, never mind. Let's see. What do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Oh yeah, we are doing, whatever, I don't actually know. This is gonna be my worst idea yet. My very worst idea. Or second, or third, or fourth. I don't know. So what we're gonna do is run into Dusty, which is technically in the middle of the circle, and then just, I don't know. We'll just do stuff. And as you can see, I have 0 kills, 11 people left. I don't know what's happening today, but I don't exactly know. I really don't. I can't believe this. You guys believe this right now? No, I'm gonna go into the first option. I can't believe this. Like, he actually left it. He left it. I can't believe this. He left it. I really don't believe this. And it didn't even have that much good stuff, but still. Why would you leave a chest? And a burst assault rifle. He probably had a scar and then he thought, oh, I don't need that chest anymore. Or, like, he had a bunch of good stuff. I don't know. We need something blue, like something. Oh, it's best. I can take that. I will take that. I will take that for the win. I don't know why. I could have actually just carried it to winning. Probably. I don't know. I hear a fight. I want to get in that. I will really do. No, please don't end. I don't even have a sniper, so this is gonna be really bad. Also, everything's different now because my Fortnite just updated. And look, everything's different. It shows you the challenges on the top left. I don't know if that's like a save the world thing or like whatever. We'll just go with it. Why are people leaving chests today? Like, actually. Can you see us? You see us right now? I really want to get in this. I really do. I just can't see him. Oh, he's so gonna kill me. Someone's gonna kill me. I know it. Nope. Never mind. Oh no. Crap. Oh my god! I got saved by my own thing. Let's go. I knew that bouncer would so come in handy. I knew it. Never, ever not put down a bouncer. Also, why is it so loud? Okay, boys, I'll be right back. It's just too loud. My ears are actually blowing up. Okay. I don't know why I just do that in mid-battle. Why can't I? Oof. I don't know who was that, but I like got melted. It's actually so bad. Oh, let's go. Please get rushed. Boys, I'm doing so bad. Oh no, what am I saying? Okay, I'm gonna go and get full shield. I don't know why they didn't do that before. It just said 69 and then it just lowered down. Holy, I'm in the middle of the circle. That's why there's so much action. Dude, I can't believe this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go and do this. Get this. We are not leaving the double barrel shotgun. We're not. We can't. It's a challenge video. We can't leave it. No. We are not. We are not gonna leave it. There's 5 people left. We could do this. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. Oh god. I'm in the worst spot ever. Where'd that drift go anyways? Wait, I actually have no mats. Holy crap, I just noticed that now. Ha. Lol. That guy has some mats probably. And go and rush that. Well, not rush, but like get his stuff. This is really bad. Worst idea I've ever had in a whole entire life. He has a guided missile. Should we take it for the memes? I don't know. What? Boy, it's actually just... Nope, you can't. Let's go. He's gonna nuke that, isn't he? I know it. Dude, we still have no kills though. Like, it's actually embarrassing. But it doesn't matter about the kills, it matters if you win. So even if you don't get any kills, it doesn't matter. If you still win, that's still what counts, kind of. Mostly kills, but still. Doesn't matter. Why do I keep saying it doesn't matter? Boys, I think he's still there. I think he thinks I'm still there. Probably does. Keep looking. We're gonna keep looking. Oh my god. Did that actually just happen? Ah, nah. Ah, it doesn't matter, boys. We just had fun. It doesn't matter. But we'll go do one more round. We'll do one more round and hope we get it. Just hope. Oh, God. Boys, this is tough. Getting tough. Man. Ow. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Should actually probably stream on Twitch once. No. Not yet. If we actually win a game, though, I'll be so happy. We're going to Paradise. Boys, look at this. I have a mouse. And a computer. Look. Okay, I'm gonna go and play on PC real quickly. Yep. Boys, this is so cool. I don't play on PC too much. I got my keybinds ready. Kind of like Moosehouse keybinds. Not really, though. They're actually nothing like Moosehouse keybinds at all. Yeah, I have like way different keybinds. It's actually just insane. But we're not going to be playing on PC. We're going to be playing on PS4. Just because. It's way easier. No offense to PC players. Ninja. Yeah. Just gonna go and drop this. Let's drop it. We are not going to the hotel for Paradise. We are gonna go to the... Oh my god, where's... The gas station actually has pretty good stuff. Yeah, we're gonna go to the gas station. Oh, it looked like it had a drum gun. It looked like it, whatever. It doesn't even matter. Alright, that song's just stuck in my head now. I don't know why. So, like, it's, like, pretty good for a song. We don't have a shotgun. So if we get into a fight and someone has a shotgun, we're probably dead. We are actually probably dead. Please don't tell me someone else is shooting. No. This is bad, boys. What the heck? That guy's a noob? Or something? That's funny. I love it when I just see noobs just walking. And then they just die. I don't love that part. Kind of. I kind of love it, but not that much. Also, I think I'm gonna go to the park with my friends today. I don't know. I have a bunch of friends, so... Probably follow me on Instagram for that stuff. Okay. I feel like I left something. I don't know why I left, but I feel like it. Frick. Holy crap. We have nothing good. Like, we have an AR and a tactical. The gray one, which is, like, pretty good, but... Is that the noob who's spectating me, probably? Or is that the default skin who was spectating me? And he was a streamer, too. I don't think he's a streamer, actual. But, like... Frick, I'm dead. As soon as I hear that shot, I'm sure I'm dead. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. I knew it. Holy. Okay. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave down in the comments below what you want me to do, what you want to watch. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.